Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, welcome to the grand opening of Vertiv's SustainX 2023 at Thimphu, Bhutan. Vertiv today is thrilled to have you join us as we embark on a journey to explore the latest advancements in sustainable practices. In a world striving for eco-conscious solutions, we recognize the immense potential of generative AI and its pivotal role in shaping a sustainable future. Over the course of this event, we look forward to delving into critical topics such as global edge solutions, edge thermal, energy efficiency optimization, and the development of eco-friendly infrastructure. Let's come together to innovate, inspire, and pave the way for a greener, more sustainable world. Vertiv, architects of continuity.